Hello guys, good afternoon, good afternoon. So, ito yung last na fish pan na pinapakain namin. Ito malapit na harvesting na, I think September. So, ito, tahimik lang tayo dito kasi paggabi na. Maliwanag lang sa kapitbahay, pero dito madilim na. Ayun. Ito yung fish pan ni Sir Secret. Secreto para Bebo. That's all. Thank you. God bless. Keep on watching. Please like and share.